FleetPride is America's largest aftermarket independent parts and repair supplier in the HD industry. We cover a huge range of repairs in relation to heavy-duty trucks.
Our primary goal, we keep the country running.
We do everything from body work, frame, alignment, upfitting, advanced electrical diagnostic, engine rebuilding and replacement. Something that really makes me proud is our dedication to being the best.
We have 300 plus locations, 90 plus service centers, servicing 47 states, and potential is through the roof. In order to maintain the uptime of those trucks, we need a diagnostic tool that's going to allow us to figure out what's going on with the truck as quickly as possible, as accurately as possible, and that's where Noregon's DTM service comes in. Not only could we get the hardware from them, we could get the J-Pro software, we could also get OEM software, but it also allowed us to keep those computers updated and running at all times. We have 350 diagnostic computers as of today, and we are still growing. That is a lot of hardware to be able to manage.
Previous to J-Pro and DTM, we had to update our software ourselves on site. So our technicians were burning up a ton of time updating the diagnostic software, downloading new software. The DTM service gets our technicians more time on the floor fixing our customers' trucks. One of the biggest advantages is the reporting side of it. We get reports monthly. Things like how many computers were used, how many trucks were connected to, what was the make and model of the truck, what types of codes are they having? Because then we can take that data and we can train our technicians to be able to meet those needs.
Noregon helped us design the solution that was going to work for our size and for our techs, and not just for now, but in 5 years from now. Our return on investment was almost immediate. We've been able to actually diagnose trucks faster. At the end of the day, thanks to our DTM solution with Noregon and the J-Pro software, we know that our techs have the best tools in the industry to be able to keep that truck on the road.